I have to confirm this. The regional manager said they would make it happen, but I've yet to confirm it. But an account has been created at O'Reilly's for Great Autos.
Wow.
Nice.
So what you do is you show up to the counter. I got to talk to Trini and Mary Lou and Nicole and Christy and make sure everybody's aware of this. But you show up here at the Vistacino store.
Okay.
You say you're with Great Autos, and you have to give them your member number because that goes in the P.O. box. And what that does is that not everything they have is discounted. Some discounts are minor, others not so minor. The thing that's attractive to you guys and else is that the batteries are quite a bit cheaper.
Yeah.
We needed a small battery. We actually put 2 batteries in Linda Keeler's Mercedes a couple of days ago. And the front battery, the little guy, was close to $200, like $170. And it's like, it's this big, right?
It's like a motorcycle battery.
My price on it, which is now your price, was $88.
Wow.
And the battery, which was 210, was 173. So there's savings here. And what I told the regional is, you know, we've got about 300 members in the Coachella Valley, about 1,000 cars. Batteries last 2 years, maybe 3. So, you know, we're going through a couple hundred batteries a year. Do you want that business? And she says, yes. I said, well, let's work it out.
So it's only that location?
It's primarily that location. You should be able to do it at other ones, but I know it's true at this location.
Vance, right? Vance
Pardon?
Auto, you said?
No, it's O'Reilly.
If you have the account number, you can go to nationwide with it. If you
Yeah,
have
I
the
don't-
account
well, I
number.
didn't
But it's
just-
harder. Like I've done that with my AutoZone account in like 15 states at this point. They give you a little funny look when you walk in Hickory, North Carolina with a California commercial account, but I'm just smuggling brake clean back. Don't mind us.
The real stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway,
But yeah, usually you can do it. If you have the account number, you can usually do it.
yeah.
So is this active now? Or we have to wait for it to be active?
I think it's active. She said it would be active today, but I don't.
There's a Mark 7 over here.
Andre and
There's a
Glenn.
nice one in
Howdy.
here.
I'm using your one.
There's a nice one in here.
I mean, I'm sorry.
I just had to go there. I saw the offer.